Hey team, so today I am going through something that is connecting what we looked at last week. Now we are comparing our negative numbers. So when we compare, we need to think about our number line. So this is our number line here. And obviously it goes forever. So we continue going up from 5 to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. And it does the exact same thing on the other side with the negative integers. So you can see this word here, integers. We use that when we talk about negative numbers because obviously when we're talking about real numbers or whole numbers, it's our positive numbers. The word I want to highlight to you today is integers because that is what we use when we talk about negative numbers, all right? Now, the negative numbers go on and on and on beyond -6. They go all the way to the other end of the billions and the millions. And the further you get away from 0, the smaller the number is. Now that'll make more sense in a second. As you can see, my -1 is actually my biggest negative number because it is the closest to 0. It is only one jump away. So it is my biggest negative number. In today's activity, you are going to use your knowledge of the greater than and less than symbol, and you're going to organize the negative numbers and the positive numbers and tell me which one is which. Okay, sorry about that awkward transition. I'm still trying to work my way around this. So today's activity, you guys are going to classify the numbers. You're going to sort them out. You're going to tell me which one is less than and which one is greater than. Remember, we read from left to right, so we need to apply our knowledge properly. All right, so I'm just going to look at these numbers here first. I've got -5 and the number 2. So is -5 greater than or is it less than? If we remember our number line from before, I'm just going to have to draw another one because my other one disappeared. We've got 0 here. We've got +1, +2, and 3. On the other side, -1, -2, -3. So this actually means for the first one, -5 is less than number 2, the number 2, okay? Moving on. -3 is what? Then 0. I can see -3 down here and I can see 0. So I know it is less than, okay? Well done, awesome. I actually think I've made them only less than, which is really silly. I'll have to change some. Now I've got number 5 and number 5. I haven't put it up there, but you would just do equal to. I'm moving over to the top. -10 is what to 2? It is less than 2. -100, -90. Which one is smaller? Which one is further away from 0? -100. So -100 is less than -90. Last one here. -1 is less than -0. I'm going to add in some extra ones. So like 10 and -10 and 7 and -7. Oh, I'll do something different, Caroline. Thinking on the spot, team. And -5. Okay, so 10 is what compared to -10? It is greater than, it's a lot bigger, as well as 7 and -5. Okay, it's a lot bigger than those numbers. So all we've done here, guys, is classify them so we're able to identify where each of them belong. Okay, thanks for listening, guys.